when you've got high quality ingredients, just like I have here today, you really want to keep the recipe quite simple. I'm going to make you a roasted eggplant, tomato and buffalo mozzarella stack, and it just works a treat. So what I've done with my eggplant is I've just shallow fried it, so really good quality extra virgin olive oil, and fry the eggplant for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's caramelized and soft. Now for the tomatoes, I've got these heirloom tomatoes. Have a look at that, just fantastic. And just with a serrated knife, I'll just take the bottom off. And you don't want to serve these when they're chilled. Bring your tomatoes out of the fridge, or even better, don't even put them in the fridge. And once they're at room temperature, they just taste so much better. So we're going to slice them into large rounds. And I'll pop them onto a tray. Got another one here. And just look at the colour of that on these tomatoes. Fantastic. Now tomatoes, for them to really shine, they need some salt. So a good pinch of salt over the tomatoes, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. And I'll do the same on the other side. Salt and more olive oil. And if you like pepper, totally optional, some pepper. Okay, the last thing I want to prep is my buffalo mozzarella. And I get asked often, what's the difference between your regular mozzarella made out of cow's milk and buffalo mozzarella? So obviously this is made from water buffalo, and you get a much richer, creamier flavour. It's also got a delicate texture. It's just a thing of beauty. I really love buffalo mozzarella. And I like to not do too much to it. In fact, I'd never cook my buffalo mozzarella. I always like to serve it fresh, just like this, so we really taste its beauty. It's also got a slight tang to it. So I'm going to cut it into rounds. Okay. And this is where you need to resist tasting because it is that good. So we're going to go over to our eggplant. We want them roughly to be the same size as the tomato. So I'm just going to get some large eggplant rounds. We can go onto the plate with that, tomato on top, a piece of buffalo mozzarella, and we'll continue the process. So another piece of eggplant, tomato. You don't want it to be too high because it will fall over, but we'll finish off with a few pieces of the mozzarella on top. How good does that look? We need some balsamic vinegar. I've got some aged balsamic vinegar, and just with a spoon I'm just going to drizzle it over, and you'll see how thick it is. This is not glaze, it's aged, so it's not going to be too sweet or overpowering. Okay, drizzle of extra virgin olive oil to tie it together, and I have some Parmesan just to make it look extra pretty around the plate. And to really stick with this Italian theme, we need some basil. A little basil on the top. And that, my friends, is an elegant entree showcasing premium ingredients, buffalo mozzarella, fried eggplant, and stunning tomatoes.